philosophy club. We meet every Wednesday after school. We discuss things such as ethical dilemmas, and we went to the National High School Ethics Bowl in UNC Chapel Hill.
I'm the president of the Fairfield Connection Club here at Prep, which is an organization that provides social opportunities for students with special needs in Fairfield.
This is the board game club. We meet every Fridays at 3 o'clock in the Student Life Center. You can join your fellow students and teachers for fun but competitive board gaming.
We meet every single week to discuss the culture of Italy, from Italy to Connecticut. We explore the language, we explore the arts of Italy, and of course we eat some good Italian food.
I'm a member of the law club at Fairfield Prep. It's a great club. We have different lawyers come in every week and talk to us about their experiences in law.
This is the Irish Club and Gaelic Football Club. We play Gaelic football in the spring. Usually once a week practices. Not a huge commitment, but it's super fun. And you don't have to be Irish to join.
Hi, this is a drone racing club. You come there every Tuesday afternoon after school. This is Frank Nito's room, and you get to race drones on a real-life simulator.
Prep Players is the Fairfield Prep Theater group, and we do 2 shows a year.
We do a fall show and a spring musical.
Brain stands for the respect, education, and inclusion of gay and non-binary students. It's our school's GSA, which stands for Gay Student Alliance.
And I'm here to represent Mock Trial Club. Get to play different roles in different situations, and overall we're just having a good time.
I'm the president of Historians Club. Historians Club is about history and the meaning of history, and learning everything about geography and everything. We learn about mustaches, beards, and every kind of extreme facial hair that really makes a man a man.
I'm one of the co-moderators of Habitat for Humanity. We go out on builds in the Bridgeport area and we build homes for those who are financially unstable, and we go on multiple builds throughout the year, and it's a lot of fun.
We allow students to come in and bring in their literary work and anything they've done inside or outside of school, including short stories and poems and anything else, essays. And we give them feedback, help them out, offer different opinions.
We discuss world politics. How it works is you're assigned a country and you have to debate your country's views against everyone else. We go on a lot of trips every year where we compete against other high schools